We have traversed several counties over 200 kilometers to get to the heart of Tharaka Nithi and show you something very special. Sometimes settling in the town center is never enough if you are not getting very special things or very special demands that you wish to get in life. This client wanted to get endless views and a very cool environment to raise the family. In most developments done by 47 Investment, we talk about plot size. But in Tharaka Nithi, we should only be talking about land size. And this owner has a big chunk. As you can see, one part is full of mangoes, and you have this extend to become the main compound, and the owner has more land on the other side. That one is not part of the business of the day. What I'm going to do, I'll take you to the unit and give you a thorough tour of everything. Na kwa wakazi wa Nairobi, ningetaka niwaelimishe. Hii sio miwa, inaitwa napier grass, and this is fodder for cows and other animals. One thing that makes 47 Investment Company very special is that they are able to go to all 47 counties and deliver houses like this. If you have a different design, they can do it on your lot. As you can see, the unit has been done very well. The facade is very, very beautiful, and this house is huge. North of 280 square meters, and the cost of construction was 12 million Kenya shillings. The unit itself is a 4-bedroom villa, plus a utility room, plus a small family room. And to access the unit, this is the main entrance, but you have to drive all the way from the main gate, enjoy this changarawe paved parking area, and you can park wherever you want. If you have 3, 4, 5 cars, this compound is more than enough. As you can see, the unit is enjoying some extras from 47 Investment, like landscaping, rough and tough, and several more that I'll show you in a bit. As much as I would want to agree with you that 47 Investment designs are almost similar, what I like about this unit is the choice of colors. They are very, very bold, and they are telling you, look at me, I am the daddy. From the main entrance, the contractor has given you a very nice entrance porch, and the facade is complementing everything. I like it that the developer or the owner of this unit was able to tell 47 to give them this changarawe, because it is very important, especially wakati umetoka kwa shamba na mavumbi zako. By the time you are walking through the changarawe, mchanga yote inakuanga imetoka. Anyway, I'll take you inside. A main entrance is very, very good, especially when it comes with an entrance porch. But it becomes better if you can get a foyer, of which 47 does not give in most of his units. So when you're getting your next unit, make sure to tell 47 Architectures to include a foyer to your unit. It is very important and very, very modern. Right now, we are in the living room. It has been done very well. Not the biggest, but it has all the space that you may require for a small nuclear family. On this side, you are able to enjoy a ton of natural light from the massive window and the semi-transparent door. This living room is facing the east, so the morning sunrise will be excellent for the people who will be living here. For the night lighting, you get a beautiful center light. You have 2 side lights to complement this center light, and I like it that the tile work has been done excellently. The quality of the tiles, the painting on the walls, and the quality of the ceilings has made this unit look very modern and look very well done. For me, the highlight of this unit is the dining area, because it gives you a ton of natural light from the big windows, and from here you'll be able to enjoy the indoor-outdoor environment. I like it that the windows are from wall to wall and from ceiling to almost floor. The dining area is sizable to fit an 8-seater or a 6-seater, and everyone will enjoy their personal space as they are enjoying the food. You have a vanity over here to wash your hands as you prepare to eat. A mirror is necessary for you to look, ujiangalie, ujione. Add a small storage is very nice for your washing detergents or your hard wash. The owner of this unit wanted the countertop to act as a mini breakfast table on the dining area side, whereby he would be able to do 3 chairs over there, and he will be enjoying the conversation with the people who will be cooking in this kitchen. The quality of the kitchen and the blending of the dark granite countertops and the white cabinetry is making this kitchen feel so modern and feel so spacious. You have a door here which can take you to the rear side of the unit, where you can enjoy the other big chunk of land. You have a pantry here. Hapa ndio unaweka mandizi or the mangoes after harvesting them from the shamba. This space has been left for the side-by-side refrigerator. You have some extra storage for your crockery and your cutlery. The washing space is over here, which comes with a double sink, which comes with a tilting faucet. This unit has a supply of cold and hot water, and at the center over here you have the cooking area, which is coming with a space big enough to fit a 6-burner cooktop. A heat extractor will be added here very soon. As standard, Mr. 47 give this client blinds in the kitchen, because curtains are very complicated when you do them in the kitchen. The blinds, best in the world. Right now we are at the center of the first level, and from here you can be able to access many areas. From where Mr. Sante is, that is the kitchen. This becomes the common washroom. You have an access to the utility area over here, a staircase to the upper level, and on this other side you have the guest bedroom. I'll show you all of them. Finally, we see a common washroom that is not utilizing the space under the staircase. This one has been done excellently. It comes with a towel holder. I don't know why we have that there, or maybe it's for the towel that can be used by the people who are going to wash their hands on this wash basin, and a WC is very important in such a room. Right now we are in the utility room, and the owner of this unit is intending to use it as the laundry area come the ironing room. He can also do some shoe racks for the dirty shoes, and some other shoe racks on the other side for the cleaner ones. For a unit that is north of 280 square meters, the guest room is big. This would easily fit a 6x6 bed, and I like it that the contractor was able to give it several sockets to make sure you can orient your bed in Howley and still enjoy charging your devices. The guest window is massive for enough natural light. The closet has been done very well, though whoever chose a brown color, it's a bit of a beating. It is contrasting very well with the whiteness of the rest of the room, but if I was to choose the color of my closets, brown would not be in the list. On this side, you have spaces that have been reserved for the foldable clothes, 2 drawers down there for your underwears and your handkerchiefs, a space for the hangable clothes, and some extra shelves up there where you can keep your extra beddings. For the people who are intending to purchase a house instead of building one, make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection from African Real Estate, because mnaendelea kukoniwa na tunawaonea huruma sana. Right now we are on the first level, and here we have the mini family room and the 3 other bedrooms. The shorter version of this video will be found in our social media, that is TikTok and Instagram. Also, you can see it in our Facebook Reels. This is one of the children bedrooms, coming with big windows for enough natural light, and as I mentioned, Tharaka Nithi is very green, so you need to see the greenery from all directions, otherwise utafikiria uko Nairobi. The closet is a standard 1.8 meters from 47 investment. The bathroom to this bedroom is over here, and I'm going to take you to the next bedroom. This is the second kids bedroom on this level. 3 big windows as usual. The closest is the standard floor to ceiling, partitioned very well, still brown in color. But one thing that I have liked very much is that Mr. 47 was still able to maintain high ceilings on this level. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, so I bet it is targeting the bigger children. The bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we will see in this unit. A WC on that side, a wash basin at the center, and this space has been reserved for the showering. You also get a towel holder. The owner of this unit wanted to have this special room as a resting area for the family members. If they have guests on the lower level and you are a family member, you want to read a book or maybe relax here and enjoy a movie, this was the space that the family intends to use. Right now we are in the primary bedroom, and it is the best and the biggest bedroom in this unit. I like the size of it because you would easily do a king size or a queen size bed over there, and you'll have all this other space where you can do a small couch for you to sit and relax before you enjoy your sleep. On my right hand side, you have several sockets and intercom ready for the people who like doing TVs in the bedroom. I don't think it's a good idea, but you still do it. Anyway, this other side is where you get your sunshine. The bedroom is also facing the east side, so hapa unaamshwa na Mungu asubuhi. This is the only bedroom that is enjoying a balcony, and from here you'll have the nicest views of Tharaka Nithi. And on that far end I can see a small hill. Sijui tuite aje. Wacha tuiite Mlima Tharaka. Yeah, you will be able to see Mlima Tharaka. This unit was able to enjoy a walk-in closet, and it is slightly bigger than all the closets that we have seen in the other bedrooms. This bedroom also enjoys a dresser on my right hand side, and that comes in handy, especially when you have a wife or a girlfriend. Right now we are in the primary bathroom, and I'll do my thing as I'm giving you a tour of everything. Where I'm sitting is the WC. You have a wash basin there where you should wash your hands after using the WC, a space for you to hang your towels, and this is a showering area. You can do a shower curtain over here or maybe a shower cubicle. You have a towel holder over there where you should hang your towels as you are showering. Big windows are necessary to give you enough natural light as you're cleaning yourself. The highlight of this roof deck is for the views. From there, you can agree with me that this area is very, very beautiful. And Kenya being an agricultural country, you'll be able to enjoy the local climate that comes with this greenery and the views that comes from this roof deck. Mr. 47 was able to give terrazzo a standard, and this is protecting the unit from water seepage, especially in these tropical climates. As you have seen, he has done the clothes area on this side, and this space would be excellent for hosting. 3,000-liter water tanks are standard from 47 Investment, and for the people who don't know me, my name is Mogai Kihara. We will see you in the next one.